It's time to dive into a common wardrobe woe: old grease stains. Fear not, we've got a nifty trick that's simple and budget-friendly. For this magic mixture, we need two things: salt and rubbing alcohol. Yep, that's it. Ready to do battle? Let's start with the salt. Measure out 1 tablespoon into a small bowl. Next up, the rubbing alcohol. We need 3 tablespoons. Just like with cooking, getting the measurements right makes all the difference. Now, the fun part. Stir it well. This combo is our secret weapon against grease. Dip a soft cloth in our concoction and gently dab it on the stain. Make sure the stain is thoroughly soaked. Time to scrub! Work the mixture into the stain. This helps it penetrate and start breaking down that grease. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to give it time to tackle that pesky grease. Rinse the area with cold water. We're washing away the remnants of the stain. The final step: toss the garment in the wash on the hottest setting suitable for your fabric. This will help to completely eliminate any remaining grease. And look at that! A clean, grease-free shirt, all thanks to our simple yet powerful salt and rubbing alcohol solution. If you found our grease-fighting video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips like these. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.